Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing the 5 best email marketing platforms in 2024. Email marketing offers incredible ROI, making it a vital tool for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small local shop or an established e-commerce business, building an email list is essential for reaching your customers effectively. The platforms I'm about to share cater to various needs and budgets, ensuring there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the top 5 email marketing platforms for 2024. First up is Constant Contact, a veteran in the industry since 1995. With a wide array of features, including email and SMS marketing, Constant Contact is a robust option for those seeking comprehensive tools. While it's priced higher than some alternatives, starting at $35 per month, its feature-rich platform justifies the cost, making it ideal for established businesses. Next, we have MailerLite, offering a balance of affordability and functionality. With features like weather-based email triggers, MailerLite stands out as a cost-effective solution starting at just $9 per month. It also provides you with a free plan. Its high deliverability rates and user-friendly interface make it a favorite among beginners and seasoned marketers alike. For those focused on newsletter creation, Beehive is an excellent choice. With a free option for up to 2,500 subscribers and a scalable plan for larger audiences, Beehive simplifies the process of building and monetizing newsletters. Its intuitive interface and innovative features make it a standout option for content creators and influencers. HubSpot, known for its all-in-one marketing suite, includes robust email marketing tools alongside its CRM and sales solutions. While priced higher, starting at $800 per month for professional-level features, HubSpot is a comprehensive solution for larger businesses looking to streamline their marketing efforts. Lastly, Brevo offers a budget-friendly option with additional features like SMS marketing and live chat integration. With plans starting at $25 per month, Brevo provides affordable email marketing solutions without sacrificing functionality. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your email marketing efforts, these platforms offer a range of features and pricing options to suit your needs. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try out any of these best email marketing platforms for free. Thanks for watching.